video I am going to solve some questions, and the first question is cot alpha plus cot 60 plus alpha minus cot 60 minus alpha is equal to 3 cot 3 alpha. Here we have to prove this. So from left hand side, cot alpha cot 60 plus alpha minus cot 60 minus alpha. Here we have to note cot alpha as it is. Now here we have to expand it, the formula of cot a plus b, that is cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a, and here cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. In the very next line, cot alpha plus, as we know, the value of cot 60 is 1 by root 3, cot alpha minus 1, and here it should be cot 60. Now cot alpha plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 cot alpha plus 1 upon cot alpha minus 1 by root 3. So in the next line, cot alpha plus, here cot alpha minus root 3 upon root 3, here root 3 cot alpha plus 1 by root 3, here cot alpha plus root 3 upon root 3, here root 3 cot alpha minus 1 upon root 3, root 3 cancelled out. So in the next line, cot alpha plus, here cot alpha minus root 3, here root 3 cot alpha plus 1, here cot alpha plus root 3, here root 3 cot alpha minus 1. Now here root 3 cot alpha plus 1 and root 3 cot alpha minus 1 is the LCM. So if we multiply this, so that is root 3 cot square alpha and minus cot alpha minus 3 cot alpha minus root 3, and this side if we see, so root 3 minus root 3 cot square alpha and plus minus cot alpha minus 3 cot alpha and minus root 3. Here we will check again, root 3 cot square alpha minus cot alpha, and here root 3 means minus root 3 cancelled out, and root 3 cot square alpha with minus, this is also cancelled out. So cot alpha plus, if we see here, cot alpha minus 3 cot alpha minus cot alpha minus 3 cot alpha, so that is 3 1 4 5 8 minus 8 cot alpha, and here a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, so 3 cot square alpha minus 1, So in total, if we take 3 cot square alpha minus 1 as a LCM, so here 3 cot cube alpha minus cot alpha minus 8 cot alpha. So 3 cot cube alpha minus 9 cot alpha, 3 cot square alpha minus 1. So here if we take 3 as a common, so cot cube alpha minus 3 cot alpha upon 3 cot square alpha minus 1. As we know that cot cube alpha minus 3 cot alpha upon 3 cot square alpha minus 1, this is the formula of cot 3 alpha. So this is our right hand side. Have a look. Here in this sum, tan theta into tan pi equals to under root a minus b upon a plus b, and we have to prove that a minus b cos 2 theta, a minus b cos 2 phi is independent of theta and phi. This is what we need to prove. So if we see here as tan theta tan phi is equal to under root a minus b upon a plus b. So we can write it tan square theta tan square phi is equal to a minus b upon a plus b. Now a minus b cos 2 theta, a minus b cos 2 phi. So a minus b cos 2 theta, a minus b cos 2 phi. Now I am going to open it here, a minus b and cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, a minus b 1 minus 1 plus tan square phi. Now if we take the LCM, so here a plus a tan square theta minus b plus b tan square theta. Similarly, a plus a tan square phi minus b plus b tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi. Now see here a minus b I am going to write like that, and if I take tan square theta as a common, then a plus b, here 1 plus tan square theta. Now here 1 plus tan square phi, in the same pattern a minus b plus a plus b tan square phi. Now what I am going to do here, if we take in this section a plus b as a common, so here a minus b upon a plus b and plus tan square theta. Here again, if we take a plus b as a common, then a minus b upon a plus b plus tan square phi. Here 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square phi. Now a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. Why I have taken this common? Now a minus b upon a plus b, a minus b upon a plus b can be written as tan square theta, tan square phi. So here tan square theta, tan square phi plus tan square theta. Similarly, tan square theta, tan square phi plus tan square phi. Here 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square phi. Now if we see, so here a plus b whole square, here tan square theta is common. So if we take tan square theta as a common, so in bracket tan square phi plus 1, and here if I take tan square phi as a common, then in bracket tan square theta plus 1, and in the numerator 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square phi. Now 1 plus tan square phi cancelled, this is also cancelled. So a plus b whole square, and here this is in multiplication, tan square theta, tan square phi, tan square theta, tan square phi, and tan square theta, tan square phi equals to a minus b upon a plus b, tan square theta, tan square. So here I am going to write a minus b upon a plus b. Now cancel. So here a plus b, a minus b, that can be written as a square minus b square, and here we can see there is no theta, no phi, so that is independent of phi.